Hello everyone, this is Brat 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, and today we are back with another Snacks from Okinawa video. Now, I think we should start off with these packets of noodles. Now, yes. I think they're chips, I don't think they're real noodles.
They're chips.
But they have a picture of an old lady just slurping away at ramen like me over at Rashi's, which is a restaurant over here. Serves noodles, it's really good. But anyway, we're gonna open it, and you can already see that a bunch of them have already flown out. Now,
why is mine like?
This is what the noodles look like. They look like noodles, but they're actually chips, which is strange. But they usually taste really good. I've had other brands of these, but it's my first time having this kind. So,
oh shoot!
Yeah, everyone has some. All right, we're all gonna throw it in our mouth in 3, 2, 1.
Oh. What noodle everywhere?
It kind of tastes like.
Ew. It's hard to describe.
Yeah, it's hard to describe what it tastes like. Kind of tastes like those ramen noodles, like the ones they get in the instant noodles packaging.
But dry. Dry. It feels like
they are dry.
I don't think they're chips.
You know the noodles here that have the chicks on them? Have you ever tried them dry? Like just have a few noodles dry? It's exactly what it tastes like.
Alright, so next we're going to move on to the third disgusting one.
The one of the day.
So we've had durian milk chocolate. We've had chili dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna have our final one, wasabi white chocolate.
This one.
We've had wasabi at our
This one is the wasabi sauce is actually
Brat 3, get the scissors.
Sauce.
No, you can rip them open.
I can't be bothered to do that.
I know. Never mind.
All right.
Anyway, so wasabi sauce is like green sauce that makes it like it's like a lot of people just like squirt it on their sushi and they come in little packets.
Most
of the time, and you squirt them like on your sushi and it makes it more spicy and stuff.
All right, so there you go.
Oh, the packagings are green. Look. Yeah, because usually the packaging.
Oh, it has the
green.
leaves. It has the beautiful leaves. No, this is gonna be.
I thought it was gonna be like so good. I thought it was gonna be mint.
Right.
It's gonna burn.
Everyone,
it's gonna burn.
Open your chocolates. So anyway,
I don't want to eat this one. I'm just gonna.
This is what it looks like.
It looks like mint.
You can already tell that's a wasabi since wasabi is green.
Oh, the smell's not good.
It is white chocolate.
Wesley.
I'm
not swallowing.
It's actually kind of green look.
It just smells like white chocolate from the
It's
outside.
actually kind of green.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know if you guys can see that one.
Yeah, that is.
It has like a flower.
Alright, I am going to die from this.
Are
you ready?
I hope you guys enjoy watching this. This is watching you
Wasabi
guys.
usually makes your nostrils burn when you eat it, so I'm a little worried about that.
Yeah.
So everyone,
And this is a big
get over
chunk
here
of it.
with your wasabi white.
I see wasabi in it.
Alright, ready?
3,
3, 2, 1.
I just crunched up a little bit. That's all.
No.
You didn't even taste it.
I had a little bite in it. Okay, take a small little bite in the corner. Now I already burned.
Bro.
It fell on the trash, not in the trash. What do you like wasabi?
Wesley likes wasabi a lot. Not Wesley.
Sorry.
His name's not Wesley.
Wesley's
His name's actually Daniel, by the way. So.
By far the worst one was the first one. That was disgusting.
That was disgusting. White chocolate mixed with wasabi, it does not work at all.
It's not a good mix.
Now,
Other
Okie Brats, introduce the next food. I'm getting weird.
Let's try these cheese things. This cheese is good.
We
don't even know what it is.
Like
They're cheese crackers. They're like a bunch of different kinds of cheese. I think
I only had a tiny bite and it made my tongue feel like someone actually put something. Like, oh.
Alright, Okie Brat 1 is back.
Oh, these look weird.
Alright, so everyone, this is what they look like from the inside
What
the
the heck?
packaging. They're like little yellow crackers.
They
and I
smell
think-
like cheese.
Yes, they do smell like cheese.
cheese.
And inside, I'm probably
it's gonna be
assuming
like a cheese
from the
ball.
packaging that
How about it's gonna be
it's
like
gonna be
that?
like the
Oh,
cheese puff,
there's
but it's melted
crackers.
with cheese on top.
No, this is the cheese, and then there's a cracker in the inside.
Mm-hmm.
There's not a cracker. It's just cracker.
Oh, I know.
Alright, ready? 3, 3,
Cheers.
2, 1. I still have the taste of that wasabi chocolate in my mouth, by the way. But
It's
Yeah.
like a cheese ball.
cheese, it just tastes like a cheese ball.
No, it does not.
But you can
Aftertaste. Yeah, aftertaste.
you can feel the cheese on the outside, like you feel that it's a layer, and then inside
It's
it's
like
just like
frosting.
yeah, it's like the cheese is frosting, I guess.
And then inside is a cracker. It's tasty.
Don't take votes off of me because I hate cheese. So
How
don't
come
take
you're the only
cheese.
one when we have tacos? You just like.
Well, that's because I don't like that. No, that
Okay.
doesn't go together.
Alright, next
Coffee.
we're gonna have almond crush Pockies. Now, Pockies, if you didn't know them already, they're a very famous snack in Japan and Okinawa. So,
They're like
Open 'em
little, they're sticks, and then they
You
not
literally
literally,
didn't even take a bite.
but
Oh, yeah.
yes, I did in the corner.
Oh.
They're like giant pretzels, kind of, with like
Okay.
chocolate on them. You'll see them, and they have this one has almond crush. in it.
there's only 2 packets inside, so we're gonna have to share some anyway.
We'll get half of now. Oh my goodness.
All right, I have a feeling this is gonna be
This is
real
not
good.
Alright, so this is
Why
what they
not
look like.
open, sir? Maybe.
Again, like Julia said, or Brat 4, they are like little pretzels with chocolate on it, and it's kind of like the ice cream you have when
My
it's
name
chocolate
says it.
on the layer outside and there's
No,
little
it's
almonds in it. It has like it gives it the little crunch texture.
All right, let's
So,
go.
Oh, it's
everyone-
also good.
Take your Pockies or separate,
Take
whatever works.
That's exactly
We're
what I
saying
did.
Chocolate.
All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Why are you acting like this is bad?
Yeah.
No good.
So they're just crunchy.
It's like
chocolate.
crunchy chocolate.
No,
It's
this
like a crunch bar on this.
this is good. It does taste like a crunch bar.
No, it's like those ice creams where they're like on the wooden like popsicle stick, and then it's like in the shape of a popsicle, and they dip it in the chocolate and like burns as
Yeah.
like a layer shield, and then they put like the weird almonds on it. It tastes just like that without the ice cream.
That is good.
All right, now on to our final treat.
Which
We
we're
have
gonna chop in half.
these gum things. I think they're gum anyway. That's what they look like. They have a little hard shell, and they're gooey in the inside, apparently, according to the packaging. So let's open this baby up.
Hey,
There's only 3, so we're gonna have to split one in half. I'll take one. Take one. And
Bro, why do you grab a
No,
knife?
we're gonna.
We're chopping every single one in
we only need to chop one in half.
half. No, not everyone else.
No, we're chopping two.
Oh, we can see the inside and show it.
Yeah, I can see the inside show.
Oh, that's amazing.
Look
This
at
is
that.
what it looks like from inside.
I'm gonna throw
You can see it has that little gooey layering that the package displays.
No, no, split two
Now.
and then there's 4.
You don't need to split it out now.
Are you being greedy?
Yes.
Greedy man comes in.
Hey.
Alright.
I know, right?
Are you ready?
Really?
3, 2, 1.
Just like Coke.
Yeah.
It tastes like Coke, but it's a little bit sour. I can't decide whether it's gum or like a gummy.
It is gum. But it tastes like Coke.
There are different flavors of these. A lot of them.
I had the blue ones before.
And
I've
grape.
had the purple and the blue.
Yes, there are multiple flavors of these. It's not the sea flavors.
We might get some.
If you want us to try more of these, like and subscribe.
Watch our other videos. This is in
Watch
the
our other
link
videos
up
if
here.
you haven't seen them already.
There's
And-
a link up there.
We're